Sanjay here. Welcome to English speaking class. Guys, tells my students, Assalamu alaikum. Rajahab, Marhaba, Sabal Khair. My students, today we are going to review the phrasal verbs. The phrasal verbs are of great importance. They are used in common communication and in speaking, as well as they are taught in academic studies. These are very important phrasal verbs and they are used day-to-day life. They are used in day-to-day life. Let's see these phrasal verbs and the sentences constructed with these phrasal verbs. Let's start up here. The first one is break down. Break down. Break down. Break down is a commonly used phrasal verb. Break down means to be out of order. To be out of order. Mostly it is used for the machinery. For the automobiles, this phrasal verb is used. Break down. Break down. It means to be out of order. To be out of order. Tom's car has broken down. And the phrase is Tom's car has broken down. Tom's car has broken down. Tom's car has broken down. टॉम की कार खराब हो चुकी है. टॉम की कार खराब हो चुकी है. Break down is a common phrasal verb. Is it mostly used for machinery, for automobiles? So break down means to be out of order. To be out of order, not in working condition. Some automobiles, some cab, some motorbike, something that is not in order, that is not working, and the meanings of breakdowns are to be out of order. To be out of order, not in working condition. Not in working condition. So breakdown is a very commonly used phrasal verb, and we have a beautiful phrase here. Beautiful sentence is Tom's car has broken down. Tom's car has broken down. Tom's car has broken down. Tom की कार खराब हो चुकी है. Breakdown means खराब हो जाना. Tom की कार खराब हो चुकी है. Tom's car has broken down. Tom's car is out of order. Tom's car is out of order. The other synonym phrase is Tom's car is out of order. So we have Tom's car has broken down. Tom's car has broken down. Tom's car has broken down. Tom की कार खराब हो चुकी है. Let's see the next phrasal verb. आइए अगला phrasal verb देखते हैं. Next phrasal verb is slip into. Slip into. Slip into. Here slip into means put on clothes. Put on clothes. Put on clothes. Put on fancy clothes. Put on beautiful clothes. Put on stylish clothes. So slip into means put on clothes, fancy clothes, stylish clothes. And the phrase is Anna slipped into a t-shirt. 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 Anna ने जल्दी से एक t-shirt पहन ली. Anna slipped into a t-shirt. Anna ने जल्दी से एक t-shirt पहन ली. Slip into means put on something immediately. Put on something immediately. Slip into means put on clothes immediately. Put on clothes immediately. Put on some clothes immediately. Some fancy clothes, some beautiful clothes. So phrases Anna slipped into a t-shirt. Anna slipped into a t-shirt. Anna slipped into a t-shirt. Anna ने जल्दी से एक टी-शर्ट पहन ली. Anna slipped into a t-shirt. Anna ने फौरन एक टी-शर्ट पहन ली. Put on. Slip into means to put on new clothes. To put on clothes immediately. To put on clothes immediately. So sentence is Anna slipped into a t-shirt. Anna slipped into a t-shirt. Anna slipped into a t-shirt. Anna ने फौरन एक टी-शर्ट पहन ली. Anna ने जल्दी से एक टी-शर्ट पहन ली. Let's Let's see the next phrase and statement. Next phrasal verb is make up. Make up. Make up. Make up means to forgive. To forgive someone. Make up means to forgive someone. To forgive someone. And the sentence is she made up with Lee. She made up with Lee. She made up with Lee. She ने ली को माफ कर दिया. Make up means to forgive someone. To forgive someone. Make up means to forgive someone. To forgive somebody. So she made up with Lee. She made up with Lee. She made up with Lee. She ने ली को माफ कर दिया. Make up is a beautiful phrase. Make up is a beautiful phrase, and here it means to forgive someone, to forgive somebody. So Lee made up with Lee. Made up with Lee. Lee made up with Lee. Lee made up with Lee. Lee ने ली को माफ कर दिया और ली ने ली को माफ कर दिया. Both ways we can make a phrase. She made up with Lee. She made up with Lee. Lee ने ली को माफ कर दिया. And same as Lee made up with Z. Lee made up with Z. Lee ने Z को माफ कर दिया. Hey my students, let's see the next phrase and phrasal verb. So next phrasal verb is wind down. Wind down. Wind down. Wind down means to relax. To relax. After a tiring work, to relax. To relax. Wind down means to relax. I read books to wind down. I read books to wind down. I read books to wind down. मैं सुस्ताने के लिए किताबें पढ़ता हूँ. I read books to wind down. मैं सुस्ताने के लिए किताबें पढ़ता हूँ. Wind down means to relax. To relax for a short time. To relax for time being. Wind down means to relax for short time. To relax for time being. So wind down means to relax, and the phrase is I read books to wind down. I read books to wind down. I read books to wind down. मैं सुस्ताने के लिए किताबें पढ़ता हूँ. मैं सुस्ताने के लिए किताबें पढ़ता हूँ. मैं सुस्ताने के लिए किताबें पढ़ता हूँ. Here my students, new phrasal verb is wind down. It's very commonly used. It's a beautiful phrasal verb. Wind down. Wind down. Wind down means to relax for a short time, to relax for some time, to relax for time being. So I read books to wind down. 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 मैं सुस्ताने के लिए किताबें पढ़ता हूँ. I listen music to wind down. I listen music to wind down. I listen music to wind down. मैं रिलैक्स होने के लिए म्यूजिक सुनता हूँ. I listen music to wind down. मैं रिलैक्स होने के लिए म्यूजिक सुनता हूँ. Wind down means to relax for a short time. Let's see the next phrasal verb. Next one is see here. Stand by. Stand by. Stand by. Stand by. Stand by. Stand by. And the phrase is when stand by new ideas. When stand by new ideas. When stand by new ideas. When नए ख्यालात को अहमियत देता है. When नए ख्यालात को अहमियत देता है. When नए ख्यालात को फोकियत देता है. Stand by means to accept. To accept. To give importance. To give importance. To give importance. Stand by means to give importance. To support some idea. To support some idea. To support some ideas. To support some ideas. So phrases when stands by new ideas. When stands by new ideas. When stands by new ideas. When नए ख्यालात को फोकियत देता है. When नए ख्यालात को फोकियत देता है. When stands by new ideas. When stands by new ideas. When नए ख्यालात को अहमियत देता है. When नए ख्यालात को सपोर्ट करता है. Let's see the next phrasal verb. Next one is consult with. Consult with. Consult with. And the phrase is Whom did you consult with? Whom did you consult with? Whom did you consult with? And a question mark, this is a question. Whom did you consult with? आपने किससे मशवरा किया? Consult with means to take the opinion of others, to involve others for opinion on some topic, to involve others for their opinion on some topic. Consult with, consult with. Whom did you consult with? Whom did you consult with? Whom did you consult with? आपने किससे मशवरा किया? Consult, consult with means to discuss some matter, to discuss some issues, to take the opinion of others in regard to some matter, to some problems, to some issues. So, whom did you consult with? Whom did you consult with? Whom did you consult with? आपने किससे मशवरा किया? Hey, you my students, these are very important phrasal verbs and the sentences. Make a good practice with these phrasal verbs and these sentences. These are commonly used in speaking as well as taught in studies. Keep on watching my videos. I wish you all the best. I'll see you again. Goodbye.